How to make a playlist on Spotify. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. So first you open the Spotify app and you'll find an option of your library. Click on that. Once you click on your library, on the top right you'll find the plus icon. Click on that. Once you click on that, you'll find an option of playlist. Click on playlist. And now for example, I can name this playlist car playlist, and then I click on create. Once this playlist is created, for me to add songs in it, I for example open the playlist. Here I'll find an option of add to the playlist. I click on that and I can search whichever favorite songs I want, and once you search you'll be able to add whatever you want. And this is how you add songs to your playlist. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.